transport yourself to the streets of Paris with the indulgent layers of a mille-feuille, also known as Napoleon pastry. This exquisite dessert is a symphony of delicate puff pastry, velvety pastry cream, and a dusting of powdered sugar, creating a heavenly combination that will leave you craving more. To begin, you'll need to prepare your puff pastry. Roll out the pastry dough into thin, even sheets, ensuring it is well chilled to maintain its flakiness. Once rolled, cut the pastry into rectangular shapes of equal size, then prick the surface with a fork to prevent excessive puffing during baking. Place the pastry rectangles on a lined baking sheet and bake them in a preheated oven until they turn golden brown and crisp. Let them cool completely before assembling your mille-feuille. While the pastry is cooling, whip up a batch of luscious pastry cream. This rich custard filling is made by combining milk, sugar, egg yolks, and cornstarch in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir the mixture constantly until it thickens to a smooth, pudding-like consistency. Remove it from the heat and whisk in a knob of butter and a splash of vanilla extract for added richness and flavor. Transfer the pastry cream to a bowl, cover it with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming, and refrigerate until chilled. Once both the pastry and pastry cream are cooled, it's time to assemble your mille-feuille. Place one layer of pastry on a serving platter and spread a generous amount of pastry cream evenly over the top. Carefully place another layer of pastry on top of the cream, pressing down gently to adhere. Repeat this process until you have 3 layers of pastry and 2 layers of cream, finishing with a layer of pastry on top. To add the final touch of elegance, sift a light dusting of powdered sugar over the assembled mille-feuille. This not only enhances its visual appeal but also adds a subtle sweetness to each bite. For an extra flourish, you can use a sharp knife to create decorative patterns on the powdered sugar surface. Once assembled, refrigerate the mille-feuille for at least an hour to allow the flavors to meld and the layers to set. When you're ready to serve, use a serrated knife to slice the pastry into individual portions, revealing the exquisite layers within. Each bite offers a delightful contrast of crisp, flaky pastry and creamy, smooth custard, making this mille-feuille a truly unforgettable dessert experience. Enjoy this taste of French sophistication and savor every moment of indulgence.